Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, who made them?
The one who made everything is Allah. Let's say his beautiful name together. Allah.
Allah is our creator. He made the bright warm sun, the beautiful colorful flowers, and he made you, special and loved. And Allah is the most merciful. He loves you more than you can imagine. You can talk to Allah anytime. It's called making dua. He always hears you. So remember the most beautiful name, Allah, the one who created us, loves us, and always hears us. Alhamdulillah.